That was Bob Newhart. He was classy, kind, generous, and absolutely hilarious. Icon forever. Jamie Lee Curtis captioned a throwback photo of Newhart. They'll be laughing wherever people go when they leave us. Filmmaker Judd Apatow said Bob Newhart was the kindest, most hilarious man, while Mark Hamill wrote on X, truly one of a kind. Newhart passed away yesterday after a series of short illnesses. He was 94. I'm Eva Francescato.
City News Time 8:20.
If you want to save money replacing your windows, this is the time to go to inlinefiberglass.com. Hi, I'm Bernard Rafiki of Inline Fiberglass Windows and Doors. Now through July, save an additional 25% on installation when you order our Energy Star fiberglass replacement windows and doors. Schedule your free in-house Inline Fiberglass consultation now and take advantage of this limited time offer. To learn more, visit our factory direct showroom or visit us at inlinefiberglass.com.
Here's what sleep talking sounds like with an IKEA smart spoiler duvet. That's $49.99. Pineapple. And here's what sleep talking sounds like with an IKEA smart spoiler duvet. That's $39.99. Pineapple. Did you hear the difference? One's $10 left.
Same great products, new lower prices. IKEA. Shop new lower prices on over 1,300 items today. The City News, May 21.
Traffic and weather together on the ones brought to you by Elmwood Spa. We give it a shot for 680. What are you looking at right now, Jordan?
It's a bit of a busy drive on the eastbound 401, Paul. It's issues going on between Dixon and Islington. One of them cleared away, so eastbound 401 east of Dixon, problems there are gone. But approaching Islington and the Express and Collector split, there are problems in both Express and Collectors. So in the Express, the right shoulder taken out of a stalled transport truck, and in the Collectors, the left lane's now blocked because of a collision. For the Collectors, the split only 2 lanes to begin with, so it's real squeeze. It's backed up from south of Dearson, Express and Collectors towards Islington. If you look at the volume from north to the east, there's a crash to the end of the Express. The left lane is blocked off, so it's slow from the 400 in the Collectors all the way to east of Bayview, and backed up from Peel in the Express to east of Young. So a heavy drive on the eastbound 401. Eastbound 409 delays from Mark Grove to the 401 ramps. Westbound 401 delays from the 404 to Avenue, Express and Collectors. The northbound Peel ramp to the westbound 401 is closed for construction, and delays from Weston, Express and Collectors to Dixon. You're getting onto the 400. The northbound 400 is backed up. Approaching Rutherford to Major Mackenzie, or the HOV and left lane still blocked off for construction. From the traffic center, here's Craig Gear.
Well, there's one issue on your drive on the eastbound QEW through Burloak. It's a stone transport truck that's been sitting here at the right shoulder for a little while. A bit of a delay from Appleby Line. The other issue is a ramp has been shut down. Eastbound 403 ramp to Waterdown shut down for vehicle fire cleanup. Stuck in traffic? Escape to Elmwood Spa, your out-of-office oasis. Enjoy soothing treatments, water therapies, and much more. Learn more at elmwoodspa.com. With the forecast, Jill Taylor.
Lots of sunshine today, just a beautiful day. More of the same tomorrow. We'll increase the humidity tomorrow, though. 25 degrees today, and then 28 for the high tomorrow. It'll feel like 33. And then Sunday and for Monday, just a slight chance of some wet weather. Right now, sunshine, 14 degrees. At Kitchener-Waterloo, we've got a light wind out of the northwest. Up to 17, mainly sunny at Toronto-Pearson. The guaranteed high today, 25. And because Jill made the 680 News Radio weather guarantee yesterday, the jackpot fined for $10,100.
Coming up at 8:30, the software update felt round the world. The latest on the impact of worldwide Microsoft IT outages. Also, the record set by Donald Trump last night in his first speech since the attempt on his life. And weekend news you can use for drivers.
680 News Time, 8:24.
What did I do this summer? Packed all my gear in my Subaru Outback, drove across the province, caught wild salmon, cooked wild salmon, went to Mount Cypress, hiked a double-track trail, ran into 3 white squirrel mating, swam across Lake Jasper, saw the northern lights, tried Ethiopian food for the first time, wrestled a chihuahua, got a quick tetanus shot, and was assisted to a stylish medallion. It was a good Tuesday. Squeeze more value out of summer with a Subaru and standard symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive. Visit your local Subaru dealer today and book a test drive during the fully loaded summer event.
You're listening to 680 News Radio. The Blue Jays return from the All-Star break tonight against the visiting Detroit Tigers, with the focus possibly shifting to change. 680 Simon Ben has the latest from our voice of summer as the trade deadline beckons.
The Blue Jays return to play 9.5 games out of the playoffs, by all accounts looking to move expiring contracts before the deadline July
by 30th, and they need prospects in the system badly. LB.com's Keegan Matheson and Sportsnet 590 The Fan.
You think Kikuchi is your best crack at that? He's got to look good these next couple of outings.
Jimmy Garcia's another